Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I hope you guys are all having a great summer. I don't know if you're getting ready to go back to school, getting ready to go back to work. Because of what's going on, I am just being lazy. I'm really not doing a whole lot with the makeup. I'm focusing more on my skincare because it's so dusty and sunny, so you'll have to forgive me if I'm just casual. So today's unboxing is my box by Fashionsta. This is a monthly subscription. I think they bill you like at the beginning of the month, but you don't get it till the end of the month. And I think I've had this box actually for a couple months and I'm just getting around to filming it. So apologies again. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you really like it, hit that notification button so that you get notified of future videos, and a thumbs up if you super like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. And let's get into it. This focuses mostly on skincare. They do throw in, I think, a makeup item or two, but it's mostly skincare. And you get your card and it has the items, what's in here on the back, and it does list the retail price of them, and they, if I remember, are pretty close to what the retail price would be on the items. And they put some frou-frou wrappings in here, so let's get into it. I don't know what to grab first. The first item is, oh, and I don't have my cheaters out here, We Are Wild Solid Block, and this is, I can probably read it off the card better than I can off the box. And this is the solid block. Let me read it off the card. Solid Block Mineral Sunscreen. It retails for $26 and it glides on smooth. Oh, I've never seen this before. And I know I'm going to use it, so I'm going to open it. Oh, it smells really good. I think it's got like an orange scent to it, but it has, if you can see, a nice protector on there so that you can't nick it. But I can tell once I take this off, it will go on really nice. And again, it retails for, I have a glare, it retails for $26, and I think that's really nice. Oh, goes with my shirt today. So, can't complain about having a sunstick in the box. And then the next item is Habit the Ultimate, and this is the Ultimate Multi-Use Cream. It retails for $28. The cream-based color pot made for use on lips, cheeks, and eyes. And it says it's buildable. See if you can see that. It's nice packaging. And of course, I have challenges of opening boxes. And I'm going to totally rip this one apart. Wow, I'm loving the packaging. See if you can see that. And it's a cute little pot, and it says you can use it, ooh, on your lips, your cheeks, and your eyes. It's like a rose color. So I am gonna just try to use it on my cheeks. You see the difference? Oh my God. It has a nice smell to it too. Can you see the difference? Okay, so I'm liking this, and I actually love the packaging. Okay, so far those two products has it over the price of the box. And then we have this diamond. What do you think of this diamond on my finger? And it looks like it's a makeup sponge, and it's also in the shape of a diamond. So I will definitely use that. So far I'm going to use everything in the box, so that's not a bad thing. And our little diamond that I cannot find. Air sponge full coverage, no. Maybe that is. Flawlessly buff and blend out heavy duty makeup formulas like foundation and concealer. It doesn't have a price on it, so it's free. There must be a gift in the box. And then we have a couple bottles of items. The Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream. And nobody can get mad when they get a good eye cream in there. So I am going to, I just did a bit of, try it again. I just did a video on my Duval cleaning brush, and I will leave the link on there. So my hand is really clean because I used my hand to demonstrate. So now I can put some eye cream on there, and this goes on really, really smooth. You probably can't see it, and it doesn't have the best smell, but I guess it's for your eyes, so you really don't want it to have a strong fragrance and kind of bother your eyes. But yeah, I do like that. So that's a keeper. And that was the Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream, and that retails for $36. So, and a good eye cream is not inexpensive. Ooh. And then we got this. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put it closer to the camera. This is Moonshine Super Fruit Facial Oil. It almost looked like a perfume. And what does this do? The Moonshine, it retails for $25. Organic 18 botanical oils blend that is totally pure, which is the way your skin would have it. Curated with nature's fruit basket with avocados, apples, watermelons, and everything in between to create a superfruit antioxidant potion that boosts radiance and balance complexion. So it could very well be a perfume. Let's see what it does. So it has, oh, did I open it wrong? I think I might have opened it wrong. Again, my challenges are real when it comes to products. Let's see. Maybe I didn't. It looks like it's a, I don't know, maybe it's a dropper. And I'm pretty sure I opened it wrong. I'll fight with it off camera. Oh, it smells really good, but I can't believe the top just doesn't pull off. If you have this, let me know. If you struggled with it like I did, please let me know. Then I'll feel so much better. But yeah, so I'm going to put that to the side and fight with it later. And then I see we have a palette. Now I obviously watched a couple of unboxings since I've opened mine so late, but I don't remember what we got, to be honest, what we got in the box. Or what the palette looked like. And again, they taped it. So it's totally not my fault because it is taped. this is the Gazing Eyeshadow Palette, and it retails for $24.50, and it was inspired by shades of the sun. So maybe some oranges and some reds, and they wrapped it very nice. It's got the little bubble wrap on here, so hopefully no shades will be broken. Super nice packaging. It's taped again. They just like to mess with me. Okay. Oh, it does not have a mirror, but what I can tell you, it does have some glitter. Now I like the this row and this row. This row maybe not so much for me. I don't think I could use those glitters, but let me see if I can get them without getting the light in there. But the first two rows are really nice, kind of neutral. Could work with those, but maybe not so much the bottom. So it is a nice palette. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it because that whole bottom row I probably won't use. So let's recap everything that was in this box. Did really like this box. So we got the palette that was $26.50. Oh, the whole retail price of this box, oh, I don't think I mentioned. So it comes monthly. I have received this box, I think, after they came out with the first or second one. So I pay like $19. So when you're grandfathered in, I think I still pay like $19. And they've gone up to like $24, $25, which still is not a bad price for a box that has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It had 6 items. I think they threw the makeup sponge in there. So it retails for $147.50, and I paid like $19. So I can't be mad at that. So we got the palette that retailed for $24.50, and we have the coffee. This was the Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream for $34, and especially if it works on my eyes. And then we have this solid block suntan lotion, and I can't wait to try it. And this was $24. And then we have this all-purpose lip, eyes, cheeks cream, and that was $28. And was that it? 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like I'm missing something. And 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, I am missing something. my Moonshine. So I have to figure, if anybody received this and can tell me how it works, please do. And our beauty blender. So please leave comments. Let me know if you received this box, how you liked it. If you don't get it, how you liked it. And thank you so much for putting up with me today. It's just that kind of day. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. Hello, it's just me again. I knew this would happen. I figured out how to get the top off. So yes, I am crazy. So I guess I'm gonna try this on camera. I guess you just spray this on your skin and it goes into your skin. And I could use this as a perfume because it smells so good. So thanks again for putting up with my challenges, and have a great day.